Okay, this is the next part here in this control test practice for grade 10. And it's all about factoring and canceling. So let's get started here. It's actually 4 separate questions. And you just look at each one separately. Don't look at the whole thing and think it's so hard. Just try and factor, say x squared minus x minus 2. Put down 2 brackets, go x and x to give you x squared. You got to get a minus x, but the only way to get 2 is 1 times 2. Hey, it must be minus 2 times x, and 1 times x minus 2x plus 1x is minus x. So there's that one factored. X squared minus 4, some people like those ones because of difference of squares, but it's kind of an easy one. It's x plus 2, x minus 2. And divide, you get a mark for recognizing that it's tip and times. So this thing on the bottom, x squared plus 2x, goes to the top, and the division changes to times. And then you just factor. What's on the bottom here? X goes x times x is x squared. X times 2 is x plus 2. On the top, which moves to the bottom now, we just factor it. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. You see, x is the common factor. Now, anything divided by itself is 1. Now, there's some things that would be very bad here. If x was equal to 1 or 2 or minus 2, it'd be undefined. But if it anything that's the same on the top, like see this x plus 1? It's got a partner down here, x plus 1. It cancels and equals 1. X divided by x cancels and equals 1. X minus 2 divided by x minus 2 cancels and equals 1. And the last one, x plus 2. Hey, all of this is basically in different order. It's just exactly the same thing, and anything divided by itself is 1. Okay, let's take a look at the next question. What are we going to do here? We've got this thing, 1 over x plus 7 minus x plus 7 over x squared minus 49. Woo, that's a little bit scary, but we know x squared minus 49 is really x minus 7, x plus 7, because we can factor a difference of squares. Now, if we were going to combine these fractions, we'd need a common denominator. So this x plus 7 should be multiplied by x minus 7 to make the denominator common. That means the top is going to have to be multiplied 1 times x minus 7. Well, now we have a common denominator of x plus 7, x minus 7, and we can combine the numerators, x minus 7, minus x, and minus 7. Well, there it is. But x minus x, that's nothing. So minus 7 is minus 14. Maybe it's a little easier on the eyes. We could leave it as x plus 7, x minus 7, but to write it as what we started off with, x squared minus 49 is what's in the denominator. Okay, I think that, well, maybe we have time to look at, no, I think we'll just stop right there.